Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about the interchange of different type of sentences in simple past tense. First of all, I have given here two sentences in assertive affirmative structure. He slept well at night. John ate the banana. He, John, subject, slept, ate, main verb, second form, that means MV2, well at night, others, the banana, object or others. Now if I want to make these sentences assertive negative, then the answer for the first one will be he did not sleep well at night. He did not sleep well at night. Example 2. John ate the banana. John did not eat the banana. John did not eat the banana. That means subject, MV2, that means simple past tense, and here is no auxiliary verb. That's why we have to take the help of do verb, did here, simple past tense, thereafter not, and thereafter MV1. That means main verb, first form of the given verb, thereafter object or others, at last full stop. Now if I want to change these sentences into interrogative affirmative, then the answer will be for the first one, he slept well at night. Did he sleep well at night? Did he sleep well at night? Example 2. Did John eat the banana? Question mark. Did John eat the banana? That means here simple past tense, that's why no auxiliary verb, and that's why do support did, thereafter subject, thereafter MV1, that means main verb, first form of the given verb, thereafter object or others, at last question mark. Now if I want to make these sentences interrogative negative, then the answer will be interrogative negative. First one, he slept well at night. Did he not sleep well? Did he not sleep well at night? Did he not sleep well at night? And example, and also here note another thing, he, subject pronoun. That's why in interrogative negative, not should be placed just after the subject pronoun. If we use the full form, did he not sleep well at night? Did, thereafter subject pronoun, thereafter not, thereafter main verb first form, thereafter object or others, at last question mark. Or if we use shortened form we can write in this way: didn't he sleep well? Didn't he sleep well at night? Question mark. That means shortened form didn't, thereafter any subject, noun or pronoun, thereafter as usual main verb first form, thereafter object or others, at last question mark. Now the second one, John ate the banana. If I want to change this sentence into interrogative negative, then the answer will be, for the second one, did not John eat the banana? Did not John eat the banana? Did not John eat the banana? Here first did, thereafter not, John, it is subject noun, thereafter main verb first form, thereafter object or others, at last question mark. As the subject here noun, that's why in interrogative negative not will be placed just before the subject. Did not John eat the banana? Or if we use the shortened form, we can write in this way: didn't John eat the banana? Didn't John eat the banana? Didn't shortened form, John subject, thereafter eat, MV1, that means main verb first form, thereafter object or others, at last question mark. In this way we can interchange any sentence in simple past tense. We have to take the support of do verb in simple past tense. Did we have to use to make it negative, to make it interrogative, negative, etc. Because in simple past tense there is no auxiliary verb present in the sentence. That's why.